Today we are practicing step back, roll back. But first, let's open and warm up with lifting water, shifting the weight, opening the door, lifting water. Let the hands float up. Just follow me like I am your reflection in the mirror. One hand, the palm, rolls up to the sky. The other hand rolls down, slides down, and as the body turns to the side, it rolls back, rollback arm. And then up by the ear, we turn to the front, hands cross, the other hand rolls back, up, forward to push. Roll back. Whirling arms. So that is the rollback part of the upper body movement. How about the step back? We shift our weight. Foot comes in. We can rest or tap. Step back, even with the hip. With the ball of the foot rolling down to the heel, shifting the weight back like we're sitting down. And then continue on. And the tapping is optional. Stepping back. So now roll back, step back. Let's open. Up. Rolling back, up. Whenever we bring this hand up, let's bring this foot in. Then we turn, hands together, feet together, step back, hands apart, feet apart. Our weight is shifting back, in, and then we can pull in this leg. Stepping back, inhale, exhale, breathing out, breathing in. Shifting the weight, stepping out, crossing the hands, one hand to the front, the other hand stepping back. Inhale, hands apart, feet apart. Come in, hands together, feet together. Stepping back, rolling back. Inhale. Exhale. So far we have layered in the instruction, isolated the movement. Stepping back, rolling back, is usually done after stepping forward with another movement. So let's do that now. Let's practice walking forward with warding off, walking backward with roll back, step back. Shifting weight, opening the door, lifting water, carrying the ball, stepping out, warding off. Forward, back, forward, back. Inhale, exhale. Cross. Match up the hands and the feet. As we roll back, inhale, exhale, rolling back, stepping back, breathing in, breathing out, parallel, cross, separate, sink.